Oni ayefo. Na na mo se dokono bo eden no. Mo se dokono bo eden, dokono ne bo ye den.
Alright, ebusuama akwa biom from Ghana and Sem TV eso. Me say Ghana for omo TikTok eye time video no so. Say eniama awofo no efemu under John Dramani Mahama. School placement wahala yi. Amamo hu free senior school so mfa so papa. Na ebi mo say omo de owa abrochire men bon hu mosuo ntamfo mfre se bra ofa ana sister ana auntie ana uncle ye ba ne de ne ko ne giska bi ntino meboa o oso mfi okra se busua uye nipa ebusua ma meka sanwa ye mbon wure mnyenko tie nsem mututu dwa na mbra ne wi a e be chire adwo ho
oni ayefo na na mo se dokono bo eden no mo se dokono bo eden dokono ne bo ye den wo kokko bu atopa na edo na bia wo ku akokko hyedam na makokko sepem ho na anyinsa abamu na obi hwe wo ba SS ama wo na wo ba ne free SS nyankopo be na do obetimi apie ni pemu wo so wo mpe because dokono bo ye den a day untimi ndi 3 times we did once a day nti no mpe obi hwe ba school ama no mpe e say ya te dokono so ko tua school fees fancy mse ko tua hostel ma wo ba nkonkodam a usu say crampo say kwa made for ne fancy shoe shine for say wo hu bi monti kola ne mo krom no montonso say wo nam kwa hu akwara wo tonso say ma me fo ngwa ne tonso wo papa na ya dwuma kora wo nya boni ayefo wo nya nkwala ne mo megu areas no mo ye nya bi ne ya nhoma wo mo na wanya nkwada na akwoto
ante sisi a onkura ni nyina gu aye afi we school no me say asesa ya ho asesa ofo no aya papa obi ayedi baby ayedi he mo obi anka se obi anka na no ntumi ewura de nyame a asesa ya we afi we school 2013 sa 2025 also sa asesa ya ho emu obi adi me mo obi adi o me school ni asesa ya ho asesa ya ezi why kwa mugunu uchia na obako school abati aye
die wo ho maintain sa kola asabio na so siye wodi ne ko school of the deaf o adie no mo ka wo ho no no obeti ase ne ma me se we twa for 2 weeks oba o se wo mo ko ma sesa ma we twa for ye che ne ma me se we twa for oga uni if woni mu se en kala ne no mo to mu uniform
yes
almost school club me say this will be say na me to me plan say na prospectus me akasa me hia kwa dibi na ode me bia ne ba say ne screenshot the mami am say okay thank you for the work ne bia be see na me be say wo for no mo say free such as because any provisions mo mo man
sister Pia what him say Andra almost small jandam journalist for ni bi na almost small jandam journalist for ni bi na makọ krom so mo nkoye interview no wa say David na say ye call ye no almost say boarding for ni bi bi be 500 na dey university 300 530 cedi we him say am so ye kwase ya
promise me say
na mattress pra na ye say o kan ni say mo ye say a wo ka sa say mpo ka o jini o to obeto check obeto we kana obeto ma wi na edu say
provide mattress school sleeping that the mattress require master the back because I buy the mattress.
Oh yeah. Me nua ba ko no ko we school this year. Ono ko St Thomas e was aman kese. Omo mattress free. Ono ko 20. Omo we this am ko 2023 or 2022. 2022 for ne ono we this year no. Ya mo free mattress. E wo St Thomas ni.
Omo de ne ba ko 2023 okoye
enya yi kaswa de nchira ni kaswa de nchira o se that to be kaswa de nchira
all grade A schools. Me, I was teaching in a grade A school in
mattress
Cape
as no.
mattress no what they buy my jigu ho
All
baby
grade schools. Me, I was teaching in a grade A school in Cape Coast.
all houses
Mattress no what they buy my jigu ho ni baby mpoyemfe.
old mattresses na best ni na all houses just to make room for the new ones.
Yeah, by force. Old mattresses na best
just to make room for the new ones. But you see,
just to make room for the new
Morocco do
ones.
Ghana anyone. Yo,
Just to make
that
room for the new ones. But you
innocent
see,
people will have to
Morocco
now
do
bear
Ghana
the brand.
anyone.
But
That
above people
innocent
critical
will have to now bear the brand.
junctures,
But
critical junctures in life.
Abrofo bibi ofan
Critical
critical
it gives us the opportunity
junctures.
to learn.
Critical junctures
Into often
in life.
they now
gives us the
begin
opportunity
to look
to
at
learn.
it critically. Or a critical juncture.
For
Some Ghanaians
they now begin to look
to
at
now
it
sit
critically.
back,
Or a critical
reflect
juncture
and think.
for
Because today,
some
Ghana,
Ghanaians to now
some of
sit
us
back,
are struggling to
reflect
think.
and
Your
think.
breath,
Because
your brother, your body.
Ghana,
Because
some
we
of us
cannot
are
predict
struggling to
beyond the
think.
horizon.
Your brother,
Sadeno,
your body.
almost 300 Kim.
Because
we
cannot predict beyond the horizon. Sadeno,
NDC newa. It is not because NDC
we can't think.
All of these things will happen.
NDC
But when you
there, not because NDC all of these things will happen. But when you there,
excuses. About Tana, she said, "I'm married to one." The number one reason
we have already made excuses. About Tana, she said, "I'm married to one." The number one reason
in your history, with your one,
Omusia compacho mommy and tap mommy and like any and share.
In your history,
oh, like. Omusia compacho mommy and tap mommy and like any and share.
Baby, I am no ashamed. Oh, baby, I'm not so happy.
I am not ashamed. What do baby and I what?
And they were going through the same thing.
Mr. Marcus Minchawano. If you are not first behind them, my former landlady. Or you end now, our Minchawano. If you are not first behind them, my former landlady.
Say, I can't assume you no went here, saying it all. Our four are more Ghana, I say. During 2024, your bam, when I seen him with him come catch you, say. I know the damn quite good for the time about me, I know, it is a papa baby, you go up and one. And I'm COVID-19 was a Ukraine war. A baby, we are singing na Emma Ghana. Any other countries' economy, no, according to recession, no. And no, my name will be here, now so. NPP are buying born home wedding, never be the moment way. Mamma team Tronia that I end this in the name. I'm going to a bam farm. This answer on dream. You can't see much, I'm catch you say. And yeah, no, and I'm wishing them no. The yamu, docuno, any kina. Docuno, any kina. Docuno kekina, and only idea when yam. And until the air catch your money, and yet them were from the Bay Juma. Name him say, I'll grow. In him say, a yago be and a moody. The son say, near Tissamo Kebi Pen. And Nuntino, the family say, Abia. On the day, no but nothing I dream who say, the colonic Canadian ebay. Not knowing, say, John the man in Mamma become on draw say. The colonial internal Mohaa say digitalization, then a bayan. That's our dear no, atom trim. Atom trim. And Mamuti John Dramani Mahama, echo to Abama Dokuno, any kina. That's a kina, it is a China Mungra for some of Cano. nsa na ɛyɛ ɔsere ɔn mutie kokoto abade mo enne hwamane ne ɔhawo a Ghanafoɔ ɛkom hwa hawo a Ghanafoɔ awofo ɛkom because ɔmomamo wie school hwe se nipa dasani a ɔkɔ school a na adwen ɛyɛ adwuma na ni yɛ adwuma na so yɛ adwuma school na akɔtwerɛ BC wa pass onya 17 onya 16 onya 15 onya single digit 7 8 and school koba a man school of the deaf omonte kasa school was anything serious. I'm just trying to let you understand what I'm saying. Like omonte kasa school near the ama obano. First in history, I saw one video bia mami bio say the banning your school or kaswa denchira o se den na omokọ ye ne wura be mu na school ne sans kwa ye den day and I'm say wunya ho hwe and I'm say madam wunya ho hwe which video be so abibi so say the banning your school or what is the name of the place again Faudimbra, a western region honum Afam Plains. The banning your school Afam Plains. Now, do you know the funny thing? I say I used to for car if we are call. I'm for car from Coco to go. And son I'm for Afam Plains car caught in Sunano. I'm out of force a boat to the ship no. Eddie a trap. What's how many day? How wicked can you be as a president? But you guys deserve it because Eyezu and I say an Enyezubium. See, I know Enyezubium now. I'm asking, is you know Eyezubium now? Because we all thought Eyezu and Eyeza, that is the slogan of the year 2024 general elections. So when I say Eyezu, you happily reply by Eyeza, then we will know that we are all happy, we are all together. So you should be okay with whatever is happening. I'm even sad for them. Why can you do this to them, His Excellency? I know you are wicked, but I didn't know you are this wicked. So this is the way you want to use and cancel the free senior high school program. You understand? Now, guys, so we read the point 4 now. This person is also saying that they are trying to find a way to make sure say they will resolve this issue, but it's just that the problem is board in Ayema. And yes, Ayema in real life, Ayema or Omomugotomuno. You gotta pay 17, 15, 9K, 10K. Then the one baby at the amount. That is what is currently happening. This is what is currently happening. And it's all because of one thing. Eyezu. Ebusia. Eyeza.